This cartoon is a must-see for every Muslim. This is about the most powerful admiral in human history. He was a Muslim. Watch it.
Wait, did you know that the greatest admiral in sea history was actually a Chinese Muslim? Forget Columbus. His name was Zheng He, and his fleet was absolutely gigantic. Born as Ma He to a Muslim family in Yunnan, he was chosen by Emperor Yongle to command the imperial fleet. Years later, he earned Emperor Yongle's absolute trust and was given the high title Zheng He, leading the most powerful navy on Earth. Emperor Yongle sent him across the ocean to show the world China's absolute power and build massive trade alliances. At Nanjing's massive shipyards, thousands of workers built the biggest wooden ships the world had ever seen. These massive treasure ships were over 140 meters long, nearly 7 times larger than Columbus's Santa Maria. In 1405, Zheng He set sail on his very first epic expedition into the unknown. These floating cities carried thousands of crew members, interpreters, doctors, and precious diplomatic gifts for distant kings. They conquered the Indian Ocean, braving unstoppable monsoons, wild storms, and uncharted horizons. Zheng He connected distant civilizations, building peace, trading silk and porcelain, and making history wherever he dropped anchor.